I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to use powerful combination with Minimax M3, Copilot, GitHub Copilot, Ollama. That's for free. So first here, opening this place, so command prompt. Let's use the CLS command. Thereafter, first there I'm going to check the version of the Ollama. So is it Ollama installed or not? So Ollama version 13 that install. So here, after writing this place copilot minus minus version, so you can see copilot CLI or this version that installed there. Let's use CLS command, then writing this place Ollama. So when you copilot CLI that you install, then in this just go along in this search box, you can get there copilot CLI. There press right click, then you can see this here gimme K 2.6, this upgrade that's required, it's not free. This also not free. Given 3.5 also not free. So let's this lecture what Minimax M3. So this selecting there, press enter. Press enter and wait for few second times. So that's gone there. Here you can select your folder, you can change the location also. Let's press enter, that's fine. Now let's test with the high. So high and wait for a few seconds, this returning there. So the next question is what model currently I'm using. So what model currently I'm using? This returning this form. You're using Minimax M3 code. This model that's I'm using. Now you can ask any question. So writing there what exactly generative AI. So what exactly generative AI is returning their training models this now. Since returning faster. After that, you can ask any questions. So let's write there add 5 numbers program in Python without plus operator. So you can see this returning without plus operator carry out function, and this you can see this has so many options. You can choose this. So you can use this free, and this is how we can do the powerful combination of Minimax M3 Copilot Ollama is free. So I hope guys this video is so helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.